guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is King EXNESS, and as usual, I'm super excited to bring you yet again another amazing video in today's episode. Now in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some interesting things, but before I get started, I want you to go like every video we have out there, share, subscribe to this channel now so that you can get all the notifications as usual and get interesting videos as we talk to you about how to scale up your finances. Now in today's video, I have something interesting I want to talk to you, so stay tuned to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you've hit the like button and the share button. So let's talk about this important thing we want to talk about today. Now today's video, we're talking about 5 important things to becoming a profitable forex trader. Now I have some important notes here that I want to talk to you about. 5 important things to becoming a profitable forex trader in 2023, in 2024, in the new year coming. These things are paramount if you want to get started trading. Maybe you're new to forex, maybe you're new to trading. You need this information. So now let's go right ahead. Number 1, forex mentorship. You need forex mentorship. Now if you're going to be a profitable trader in the new year, if you're going to be a profitable trader, you know, one of the things you need to understand right now, the market is in what we call profit taking phase. You know, most of the accumulators in the market are taking out their heavy positions, taking out profits, and maybe closing their positions in losses. So we're in the consolidation phase of the market right now. So the market is not moving as fast as it would move from January to September. You know, the ember months, like I like to call them, are usually the consolidation phase of the market. So you want to right now prepare yourself and get the correct mentorship. So the next 2 months you want to get back into those courses, or you want to get a course and learn how to trade. Now remember, I have the best, I like to call it the best material when it comes to forex trading in the industry right now. The reason I'm saying that is because I have put together an amazing material that compiles my many years of experience, many years of failures as well as successes in this material. So hit the link down around this video to get started today and learn so much and scale up your finances. Now mentorship is very important. Now why do I say mentorship is important? Mentorship is the process of cutting your learning curve. You know, one of the things I like to tell people, experience is not the best teacher. Learning from other people's experiences is a better teacher than experience itself. So you want to learn from other people's experiences rather than experience, guys. So learn from someone's experience. Mentorship will cut your learning curve by 100%, guys. And you want to be in a community of traders that is giving you the right support, and we have that community. You want to join our CGI Trading University, you want to join our CGI WhatsApp group so that you are part of that community. The links are down below, guys. So number 1 thing, important thing that you need to know, important key thing to becoming a profitable forex trader, get mentorship. Now number 2, it's a short video. Number 2 is strategy development. Now after you have gotten the mentorship, you need to have strategy development. Now what is a strategy? A strategy in trading is simply a set of rules you follow each time the market behaves a certain way. Each time the market gives a certain pattern, you follow this set of rules. Now strategy development is very important. So guys, strategy development is very important. So you have to have a strategy that you follow, a set of rules that you follow each time the market behaves in a certain pattern. It's what we call repeated patterns. Each time the market has a repeated pattern, you follow, you do this, you follow those set of rules, and you have a result. So for me, the strategy, one of the strategies I use, I have 3 strategies, you understand? But one of the strategies I use is flip zone, which I have a video right here where you can learn my strategy for free. You can learn how it works and how you can implement it and how you can apply it. So it's very, very important. If you want to develop a strategy, you want to develop it even much more further, you have to come on, send us a message, get into our mentorship program. I am glad to tell you how to use the strategy wholeheartedly. Now, one of the strategies I use is Flip Zone, of course, which is an ICT strategy. I use as well break of the trend, retest of the trend strategy. I use that a lot sometimes, but Flip Zone is my number one. And of course, a few other times I can do 3 touches of a trend, I can do trend lines and all of those kind of things. But ICT, and of course, all of these strategies revolve around understanding how major support and major key zones or key areas work in the market. You're understanding on how the market is going to respond at certain levels. But strategy development is so important. So you have to have a strategy, a system of trading that you follow. If the market does this, I'm going to do this. If the market doesn't do this, it doesn't do this, I'm not going to do this. It's as easy as that. Now, of course, strategy development, the third thing I think is probably the most important thing you want to learn or you want to do right away is psychological testing. Now, what do I mean by psychological testing? Now, trading is all about psychology. Money is all about psychology. Your psychology will determine whether you're going to succeed or you're going to fail. So psychological testing is simply your ability to put your mind in a phase where you know you're going to make money. You know you're going to make money, and you know that if a trade goes against you, it doesn't mean that you don't know what you're doing. It just means it's just a bad trade, because every strategy, remember, you have a strategy. If you followed your strategy cannot be 100%. There's no such thing as a 100% win ratio strategy. It has to be 80, 90, 95, 98, but there is a level of certainty, because we're dealing with numbers. There's a level of certainty that your strategy may fail. So when you have that losing trade or you have that losing streak of trades, you know with the right psychology, the winner trader psychology, that you're going to succeed, guys, because you have the right mindset about the market. You have to have the right mindset about the market. I tell people, no matter what, I can't give up on the market, because I know for a certainty that when the market wants to pay me, it's going to pay me in millions and millions. So that is why it is so important to have the right psychological testing. How are you thinking about the market? What goes through your mind when you trade? When you are you're on a floating win. You know, I tell people something. A trade can be correct and you still lose. You know that you can have a trade that is correct, or maybe you get a signal from us, for example. By the way, we give signals, so if you want to get signals, hit the link somewhere in this video to get started. Now, a trade can be correct and you still lose that trade. Why? Because your psychology. So guys, psychology is so important. I don't know how to overemphasize it. You have to have the right psychology. Now, I recommend a few books down this video to read if you're going to have the right psychology. So just go down, you see some links, you're going to see some books that can help you on working on your strategy. Now, the fourth thing you need to understand if you're going to be a profitable trader, if your keys to becoming a profitable trader is understanding how money works. Now, I want you to understand something. The way we grew up, as when we were much younger, our parents never taught us about money. They never explained to us what money was about, how money works. You know, a lot of people don't know how money works. Now, how does money work really? It's simple. Money is currency, it flows. So your ability to, now, I tell people, whenever you make money from the market, take it and do something profitable with it. So for example, you make money from the market, take it and buy something. You make money from the market, take it and invest in something, so that you are, because here's the thing, success fuels more success, failure fuels more failure. Now, if you're trading the market, let's say you've had 6 good trades and you've made 100%. Take out 100%. You're not going to turn your $500 to $1 million. That's not how it works. You're going to turn your $500 to maybe $1,000 and take out $500 and use. Now, what makes you eventually become very rich trading the market is when you have a lot of profitable trades and you've built a portfolio, and then a money manager sees your portfolio and invests millions of dollars with you. But if anybody's going to give you money in the market, the person needs to be sure that you are profitable. All right, you are profitable. So understanding how money works is very, very important. You need to understand money works in a dynamic way. Your ability to understand how money works is very important. So always withdraw, guys. I have a video on withdrawal. Always withdraw your profit. Never eat your profit. Never just keep your profits in the market without doing anything. Withdraw. Now, understanding how money works, very, very important. When you withdraw those profits, use it to do something profitable. And then with money, you never have to put yourself under pressure unless you're going to make the wrong decisions. Because decision making is very, very key when it comes to money. So you are trading the market with real money. And that's why I advise, if you're a beginner trader, put in money into the market. Don't go on demo, guys. Demo trading is not real trading. So put in some money, maybe $10, so that you get a feel on, okay, how does it feel to make money? How does it feel to lose money? So you need to understand how money works. This is very, very important. Now, the fifth thing is execution and not talk. You can have your Forex mentorship done. You can have your strategy done. You can have your psychological test done. You can have proper understanding of money. Now, if all these four things, you can have all these four things, but if, guys, you don't execute, you are going to be unsuccessful in the market. A lot of people talk too much. It's something I realize. You don't have to talk. You have to act. If you're going to succeed in the market, don't talk. Something happened to me a few days back. I was trading CPI. I was talking about the trade. I'd already seen the trade that was going to happen, and voila, right there, the trade happens. I don't take it because I was just talking. I didn't execute. Listen, until you click the buy or sell button, until you click the close button, your trade has not been done. You've not succeeded or failed in that market. So, for example, you enter a trade and that trade is giving you $500 profit. That $500 profit as of that period is not your profit. Until you click the close button, you have not made money. You're just talking. You're just seeing money. What you have there is floating profit. And that profit can turn to $200. It can turn to $100. It can now turn to $50. And guess what? It can go back to minus $2,000. And you just lost money because you were talking and not executing. So I leave you with this video and say, not too much talk, but execution. I hope you enjoyed this content today. Not a long video. I just wanted to tell you about 5 important keys, guys. You want to make it in this industry by 2024. Listen, don't be in a hurry. Your journey is not my journey. My journey is not your journey. And we're all going to meet at the top. So take it easy. Develop your strategy. Have your right. Man, the sky is your limit. See ya.